Do you face burnout? How do you deal with it? What keeps you going every morning?
Yes, I do face. Hello, my name is Dr. G.
Oh, you mean you're normal?
And I face burnout.
Damn, I thought you were special.
No, because you're talking about minds and hearts, right? You talk about DEI, it's a different type of driving force, right? You're touching that emotional strength, the right thing to do. It's all of those things, and you're trying to put it back into the box, which is a financial box. And it's always, for me, it's one of those things where I'm like, it's so rewarding. You have this one person, maybe, for example, I'll give you there was this one person, she was from incarceration and trying to go, she had her two children trying to go into construction, and she was given an opportunity and a chance. From there, she decided, hey, I want to learn about the business side. So she did. She came in as an apprentice and she elevated, journeyed out, learned about, the business side, how to bid a project, construction schedule, all that detail behind it, and was able to start her own business. And now she's killing it. But it's just those kind of opportunities. But it wasn't an easy road for her. She does all this rebar, she does steel, all this stuff that she's able to work with all these companies. But it is these kind of, thing to push. You always have to be looking ahead. So when I think about burnout, that's you think about DEI, fatigue, that's the newest trend. There's a lot of data and a lot of research in this particular space. And you're seeing where there's movement in DEI right now. There's been in the last 3-4 years when we have a lot of movement, but there's also a significant wave of opposition. We've had so many different ways of which people, it's almost like, can we go back to normal? Why are we here? What are we doing? And it's beyond what I've ever seen before. So we're seeing more practitioners in this space either leaving. I think it was a RAND conversation I was having, but it was looking at a year and a half, professionals for DEI are turning over and leaving DEI space across industry. So this is a larger than just construction. But again, it is that whole fatigue across the board. And we can look at maybe fatigue is being tired, being not wanting to participate, or it could be even the fatigue of camouflage, where we're blending in the backgrounds of these organizations to simulate or promote that we are about DEI, but we really weren't so much about DEI. We're going to go back, right? That fatigue. You think about the wear and the tire. And I'm working on an ed op with the National Coalition for Equity Impact. So that'll be coming out a little bit later on DEI fatigue and how it's looking at for policy perspective and legislative bills and legal cases that are all out there to dismantle civil rights achievements. And you'll see, like, from Florida to Texas to Utah to California, there's a surge of these legislations really reaching an all-time high. But again, it's an ed op. Hopefully it'll come out within the next month and a half, but it's us trying to really capture the DEI fatigue as a whole and put two different spins on it, from fatigue like camouflage style, or even tired and being burnt out.